Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I always like to turn that off just so I don't have it running next to my head. There. It's exactly backwards. Okay, now we try it again. There, we got it. Okay, just take it like this. Now, I want to have it come out this way. Like that. Make sure I got them the right way. Just the way I want them. Okay. Chimney goes in through here. Got flat side up against it. Got flat side up against it over there. These are going to be where I want them. Okay. Put a screw in there. I think that screw is done. See if this one does any better. There we go. Now I want to take these up with me when I go, so I can clamp it down and have my anchors in place. Okay, got my mounts done, but I've run out of energy. Not camera batteries this time. Well, it's a lot warmer inside than it is out there. Odd, because there's no more heat in here than there is out there. I mean, we got some lights going, but that's only like 800 watts of light altogether. And it's LED, so they don't get that hot. But it's definitely warmer in here. It's up around 40. I can just see my breath. When it's outside in 24 degrees, it's frickin' cold. My hands got so cold even with the gloves on I couldn't grab a hold of anything. So we're gonna give this a rest. We'll come out and tackle this tomorrow. I'd like to be able to finish it up today, but you gotta keep body and soul together and not do anything stupid like climbing on ladders when you're too cold and too tired.
If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.